Hello guys, and welcome again to another episode with Azima Properties Limited. My name is Ian. I let my colleagues introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Maximila.
Hi, my name is Derek.
Hello, my name is Mary.
Today, the topic that we are having is what makes land valuable. I mean, the value addition, like, you see, the things that make land valuable, that's all. Yes. Ni nini inatumanga shamba ikuwe na value?
I'll start by saying location. Sababu location inafanya shamba ambazo ziko interior sana huwa ina value na shamba ambazo ziko touching tarmac.
Yes.
Na zile ambazo ziko karibu to certain areas ama certain urban setups. So that creates the difference in value ya shamba.
Yeah. Another thing I think that makes a land to be more valuable is infrastructure. Just imagine a place unaenda hakuna, like there is no way you can access that place. Value will be really down. Like itakuwa tu chini, like, but if the roads, the connectivity roads, you're maybe somewhere close to an airport, somewhere close, by the way, if you take an instance, shamba iko karibu imetouch tarmac na iko so close to the airport.
Yes, it is expensive.
Yes, iko yes. Another thing, bado railway stations hivyo kama yo karibu na uko yuko SGR.
Shoot hizo.
Yes, zisha shoot. Kuna zenye ziko na huku Ngong sasa zenye zimekuza bado the SGR bado zisha shoot. You see, so infrastructure and how to access the place can really add value to the piece of land.
Hi, mine is on addition to that, I could say title deeds. This is well because most buyers, for you to buy a piece of land, you need to first of all ask the company to issue if they have ready title deeds. This is because it can give the buyers more confidence in investing in the land. Yeah.
You can also look at the physical traits, like the topography of the land. This is because if a place is flat and ready, it doesn't like necessarily need